here real quick, and then I'm going to flip this over so I can put the connecting rod cap on. You have to reach under and guide the connecting rod over the crankshaft. There we go. I'm seated against it. Now let me flip it over real quick.
For me, 3-star players at Crossroads in 2017. You touched on one of them, Carl, Bryce Harper. To me, because he struggled so badly last year, it's going to be a lot of focus on him this year, especially at the beginning of the year, because
connecting rod cap.
I tell you this, people in that organization actually just thought he was run by anxiety with the swing, and it just this desire he has to try to do well, and that seemed to get a huge amount of money. If he has struggles like
connecting rod cap on. Letters have to face towards the rear of the engine. If you put these mating together, the arrow goes towards the front, the letters face towards the back. Make sure they're on there. Give me 1 sec to get some oil on these bolts. One. Okay. These down real quick.
Real quick, one more for each of you. We give you about a minute apiece.
So Carl talked about the great wood shops and Trickner joining them. I'm in agreement with that. That'll be one of the most exciting things to watch.
And I'll take the torque wrench. Initially, we got the torque angle meter on there. I've got it set to 22 foot-pounds.
Last year we had 4 third basemen in their 20s put up at least 6 WAR for the first time since 1970. And I think for as much as it is a debate or argument, I think Machado versus Bryant versus Arenado.
Now he's come down snug. Come down snug so you're not torquing one all the way down with a bind in the other one. So now we're snug. Now we'll go down to 22. You'll hear it click. There's the 22.
Yeah, you and I had a conversation with Machado about that. You got a smile as we were kicking around some of the different factors.
There's the 22. Put the torque meter on. This measures angle because it's supposed to go 22 foot-pounds and then an additional 90 degrees. I've got it set at 0. Set it on there. Put your hand against here to prevent this from moving back and forth. And you'll watch the black line go up to 90. $90. Same thing on the next one. $90, and then last step. Paint stick mark them so that you know that you've been there, you know that they're done. You don't re-torque them or torque them an additional 90 by that. And rotate the crank. Nice and smooth, no resistance, no sound of ring clank. Okay.